Alright guys, I've just made, obviously, got all these tongs now that I need to finish off. And there's another pair still at the forge. So these are all pretty much ready to go together. So all I've made here is I've just made a quick, I've just TIG welded the base on there. So basically this is going to just slot into my hardy hole on my anvil. I've made it so I can rest, rather than drilling the holes out, I'll drift them. So I've drilled them out with like a 5mm there. 6mm, sorry. So I've made it the idea so that can obviously hover over that hole there on both ends. So I can flatten this out, keep it all true. I've made a little stainless steel drift. This is from a bolt, an M10 bolt. So I'll be able to drift that through both sides, flatten this off and make a matching pair, make them nice and even. And then obviously I've just drilled out here and then used an end mill. This flute, I'm not sure what is that a bull nose? I'm not exactly sure what the terminology is for that. So anyway, I've just literally milled that out to act as a rivet. The bed for obviously once the rivets in, so I've already got a monkey tool for making my rivets. And then I've just made this on the lathe. Same again, just stuck that in the tailstock, that end mill. Centre drilled it a little bit with an 8mm or whatever it was, and then I've just opened it up. I don't know why it's not focusing, it's really bumming. There, you can see it there. Just again, just opened it up with this. Just to match a dome head rivet. So basically I can make my rivets, drift these, get them to the 10mm, which with them drifting it'll just basically leave me more material. So keep it stronger rather than drilling and removing material, it'll just stretch it out. So make these a little bit stronger. And then yeah, once the rivet's in, I can rest it on there. With the rivet sticking out. And then use my rivet head just to flatten it down obviously. I'll get some footage of it anyway. We'll see how that works. But hopefully I have everything all together, like a little tong making station as it were. Just think, is it worth drilling something or just maybe, well I can't use a magnet because it's stainless, but something just to clip it on so I don't lose it. Maybe if I drill it perpendicular just so it slots in, like 11mm, just so it lives with it, don't lose it. I don't know, we'll work something out. Yeah, just so it might be interested. I'll get some footage of it being used hopefully this weekend. Get all these finished and the other ones. I might make some more as well because these actually worked out really nice. Dead chuff with them. Octagonal handles. Look really cool. And like I said, you can never have enough tongs. Different applications, so I'll have to work out which ones I want. And yeah. Right guys, so anyway, it's just a quick one. I'm going to muck around with some other bits now, so I'll catch you in a bit.